So are you struggling with low engagement? Try Reel. Do you want more followers? Try Reel. Do you want to reach new users and increase your brand exposure? Try Reel.
Sorry about that, but that's true.
Hey guys, we are in 2020 and video content has become such an important part of businesses today. It has become an important part of marketing, whether it is on digital space or any other, even on WhatsApp. We just share videos. Videos has become such an important part of business today.
Business owners must know the importance of video marketing today.
So TikTok was a huge platform. I mean, a huge video making platform, and the videos went viral. We started liking, some were boring, some were so much fun. It was completely shareable content. That's why TikTok became really popular in last 2 to 3 years. And in India, it just got banned last year. So Facebook thought, Instagram is owned by Facebook, so Facebook thought of creating one more element inside Instagram, that is Instagram Reel. So yeah, it is similar to TikTok. However, it's a bit not exactly that advanced like TikTok used to be, but it is in its early stages. It's just been 6 months or something, and it is going really good. It is performing really well. You are getting connected to new users and stuff. So what if you don't know how to create a video? You have never created a YouTube video, nor Instagram, IGTV or stories. Don't you worry. Instagram is very easy to use. It is just 15 to 30. You can create 15 to 30 seconds of video and go viral. That's true. There are like recent video like Pauri, if you remember. Pauri was Pauri Oriye. So it went viral like crazy. Brands started approaching those content and started using those integrated with their brand and started posting pictures, started posting viral videos, great content, and it just got a lot of likes and shares, and it became a shareable content. That's how it is. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through Instagram Reel video for business. Keep on watching. Also stay tuned till the end of this video because I'll be sharing with you 100 Reel ideas which you can create for your business. So keep on watching. So what is Instagram Reels? According to Instagram, Reels invites you to create fun videos to share with your friends or anyone on Instagram. Record and edit 15 to 30 seconds of multi-videos with audio effects and new creative tools. You can share Reels with your followers on feed, and if you have a public account, make them available to the wider audience. So Reel is Explore offers anyone to chance to become a creator on Instagram and reach new audience on a global level. That's what it is. So it is incredible how they have created such a beautiful and engaging platform on Instagram, and you must start doing it. Where can you find Reels? So initially there was no separate tab for Reels. You could search it on Explore page. However, now they have come up with a separate tab which is in between. I'll put it somewhere here if people don't know about Reels. So you can just click on that and you'll start getting a lot of videos related to what you have watched before. So it watches your history, and depending upon the algorithm, it gives you the video.
If you're a business, of course, you need to make your account public. That is mandatory for Reels as well if you want to reach new users. If you have a personal account and it is private, your Reels will be shown to your followers only. So that is the disclaimer.
So for business, Reels will be a very good advantage if you want to create brand awareness. That would be a very big thing. If you are a new business and you want to experience Reel, you want to reach new users, definitely try Reels. Okay, so now you'll be like, already itna hai yaar. Like, you have Instagram feed, you have Instagram stories, IGTV, going live on IGTV, going live on Instagram, answering the DMs. It's like you have a lot of things on the plate, right? And it's completely a full-time job. And now Reel is there, but don't worry, it won't take a lot of your time because it's just 15 to 30 seconds. Just do some brainstorming and include that in your content calendar. Maybe once or twice you can put Reels, but recommended you should put at least one reel for the whole, one reel a day is what they recommend, but I think it would be too much work. However, just try at least 2 to 3 reels per week. It will work really well because it helps you with the Instagram algorithm for reels, and your videos can go up, and it will, set a bar of around, 2 to 3,000 people viewing it every time you upload it. So just set that bar always whenever you upload the video. Okay, so during quarantine, when last year, like the first 2 quarters, we were actually the whole quarter, the whole year, we were just in quarantine, and TikTok was the main thing that just boomed up. And according to Adweek, it has been observed that TikTok was the most downloaded app for the first 2 quarters because we were quarantined. We wanted to just pass our time. People started viewing more of TikTok content, which actually, when we were doing this quarantine, people who did jumped into TikTok, it was us millennials, and millennials are very much attracted by the advertisers. They want millennials to come on their app to buy products and everything, because these are the future and the decision makers now. That's why Facebook came up with the new platform in Instagram, that is new Reels.
So are you struggling with low engagement? Try Reel. Do you want more followers? Try Reel. Do you want to reach new users and increase your brand exposure? Try Reel. Sorry about that, but that's true.
So the answer is simple. Instagram, it has proven that Instagram tool is an excellent sales and marketing tool, and yet it is very difficult to understand the algorithm for Reel because it is a new platform. It's just been 7-8 months, 6 to 7 months it has been live on the platform, and we are only no expert has even told how it is what is the algorithm for Reels. However, I have discovered few doing Reels, posting Reel videos, and understand few things, and share 3 ways to grow on Reels. Let's get started.
First and foremost, create educational and informative content. Actually, this is my space wherein, if you see my Instagram, if you have not checked it out, it will be in the description box to follow it. So I keep on sharing social media tips, hacks and stuff like that, which actually it actually educates my users, my followers, who it has helped a lot of people to who are struggling with social media understand what is social media, how to manage Instagram and stuff like that. So I have been sharing this and people are loving it. So it is very important. So you can just share those kind of tips, hacks, how to do kind of a content in 15 to 30 seconds and upload it. It will work really well. I might give you some examples here and there. So it looks really, really good, and people want to know more about your brand. Even on TikTok, if there was some a tip post, we actually tend to like it or else save that post or something like that, so that we can use it in future whenever we are doing something or something related to it, maybe a recipe or something which is educational, which is helping us to create a dish. So we actually save it, and on later on we again play that video and we make that dish, right? That's how it is. So educational and informative content is very important, so you will your Reels will grow.
Second one would be inspirational content. People like to follow inspirational pages like quotes which motivates them to do something good, something well in their work, in their life and stuff. So posting that kind of quotes would actually help your Reel to go up. Inspiration can be workouts for your health, for your money, wealth management. So there are kind of videos wherein people post about workouts and want people, whoever their followers are, to get inspired by them, and if they are not healthy enough, they should convert themselves into being healthy, start working out every day. So that kind of video will really work on your Reels. Wealth management, people sharing tips, hacks on how you can save your money, convert it or invest it in a better firm and all that. here the key thing is you should share your users about after the, you know, like a testimonial, like people, like you, how you were initially. For example, I'll just take a workout video. You were a bit not healthy, a bit fat when you started off, and in 6 months you became very healthy, you worked out, you became slim. So before and after kind of video would really work on this kind of Insta handles, and it would work because after effect is what people can, you know, convert for you. After effect is a very much important. Try showing before and after kind of content.
Your audience is in the before stage. I mean, they are watching your video because they can get inspired, so they are into the before stage. Show them the after effect of your workouts, of your wealth management skills, how you had invested $100 and now it is like 1 lakh rupees or something like that. The after effect is more important because people who are watching your video are in their before stage. Yeah, keep that in mind.
Third one is showcase your product. It is very important. If you are a product based company, your product should be up, it should be on the face of your customer, of your followers, because which is very important. Like videos, like tutorials, show your product. Testimonial posts, people who have bought it, show them how to use it, how to show the products on every angle, the reviews of those products. It is very, very important when it is a product based company. Show, just keep on adding. If it is influencer collaboration, there should be videos in reel. It is a must. It will reach to new users and you'll gain new customers, trust me. You don't need to talk about the features, just show it to them. That's it. That's about it for my 3 ways of, you know, growing your reels. This is what it was important. I'll share a pro tip. For me, when I started using reel, hashtag actually didn't work because I actually uploaded a video with hashtag and video without hashtag on reels. So the video without hashtag went viral and video with hashtag did not. So doing these kind of, you know, experiments to understand what kind of content would work for you. Also using, one more tip, also using trending music, which is what Instagram is adapting. I mean, the reel is adapting. So if there is a trending music going on, use that music. Even if your content is okay with your sound, I mean with the music which it is there, it will go more, it will get more exposure. So use right kind of video, use right kind of content and post it. Just upload it and just see. Experiment, testing is what you need to do. So as promised, I have actually uploaded like the video when this goes by so sorry, when this goes live, I would have shared a post on my Instagram. The link is there in the description box below, so you just have to click on that. I have shared 100 reel ideas wherein you can use them and start creating content for it. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys
this video also you have learned something new today. I hope to see you guys more in my next video. See you soon with more videos. Bye for now.